Hey Car Master Tips family! I'm thrilled to have you here for this potentially money-saving video. We all know the frustration of a sudden dashboard light, a glitchy system, or just a car that doesn't feel quite right. Before you reach for your wallet and head to the repair shop, let's explore some simple reset tricks that could be the answer you're looking for. Remember, safety is always our top priority, so please exercise caution and consult your car's manual before trying any of these tips. Trick 1. The classic battery reset. Let's start with the most fundamental reset of all, the battery reset. This can often clear minor electronic glitches and reset your car's computer. How to do it? Turn off your engine and ensure all accessories are off. Locate your car battery terminals, usually marked with plus for positive and for negative. Using a wrench, carefully disconnect the negative terminal first. Wait for about 10-15 minutes. This allows any residual electrical charge to dissipate. Then, reconnect the positive, plus, terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure both connections are secure. What it can fix: minor electrical issues, radio malfunctions, some sensor errors, and a general system reboot. Trick 2. ECU PCM reset. Without tools, your car's engine control unit, ECU, or powertrain control module, PCM, is its brain. Sometimes, a simple reset can resolve performance hiccups. How to do it? With the engine off, turn the ignition key to the on position just before starting the engine, and leave it there for about 5-10 minutes. Then, turn the key back to the off position and wait a few minutes before starting the engine. What it can fix: hesitation during acceleration, rough idling, and potentially clear some stored diagnostic trouble codes. Check engine light might turn off, but this doesn't guarantee the underlying issue is resolved. Trick 3. Throttle body reset. A dirty or misaligned throttle body can cause idling problems. Here's a potential reset. How to do it? General method: consult your manual as this can vary. With the engine off, turn the ignition to the on position, engine not started. Slowly press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor and then slowly release it. Repeat this process a few times. Then, turn the ignition off and wait a few minutes before starting the engine. What it can fix: rough or erratic idling, and sometimes improve throttle response. Trick 4. Transmission control module, TCM, reset. If applicable, some modern vehicles with automatic transmissions have a learning TCM that adapts to your driving style. Resetting it can sometimes resolve shifting issues. How to do it? General method: consult your manual as this varies greatly by make and model. This often involves a specific sequence of turning the ignition on and off and pressing the accelerator pedal. You'll need to research the specific procedure for your car model online or in your owner's manual. What it can fix: harsh or delayed shifting, and improve overall transmission performance in some cases. Trick 520. A deep dive into specific resets. We'll cover a range of systems here. For the sake of a detailed 15-20 minute video, you would now go into detail about 16 more specific reset tricks. Here are some examples of what these could include, remembering to explain how to do them and what they might fix for each one. Crucially, emphasize that these are general tips and the exact procedure might differ based on the car's make, model, and year. Always advise viewers to consult their owner's manual. Resetting power windows. Sometimes windows can get stuck or not operate correctly. Often, holding the window switch down for a few seconds after it's fully open, and then holding it up for a few seconds after it's fully closed, can reset the system. Resetting the sunroof. Similar to power windows, a specific sequence of holding the sunroof button in different positions can sometimes reset its operation. Resetting key fobs. If your key fob isn't working, there might be a specific reprogramming or reset procedure. This often involves turning the ignition on and off in a specific sequence while pressing buttons on the fob. Resetting the anti-theft system. If your car's alarm is going off randomly, a specific sequence with the key or a reset button, if equipped, might resolve it. Resetting the tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. After inflating your tires to the correct pressure, there's often a reset button or a menu option in the car's settings to recalibrate the TPMS. Resetting the infotainment system. Many modern cars have complex infotainment systems that can sometimes freeze or glitch. Often, holding the power button for an extended period or navigating through the settings menu can perform a reset. Resetting headlights, taillights. While less common, some lighting issues might be resolved by a system reset, which could involve turning the lights on and off in a specific sequence with the ignition. Resetting windshield wipers. In some cases where wipers are behaving erratically, turning the ignition off and then manually moving the wipers to a specific position before turning the ignition back on can perform a reset. Resetting climate control. Some climate control systems have a reset procedure that can resolve issues with airflow or temperature regulation. This might involve pressing specific button combinations. Resetting parking sensors. If your parking sensors are giving false readings, a reset might be possible, sometimes involving a button press or a sequence in the car's menu. Resetting adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning. These advanced systems can sometimes malfunction. A reset might be possible through the car's settings menu. Resetting seat memory functions. If your saved seat positions are not working correctly, there might be a reset procedure involving specific button presses. Resetting the steering angle sensor. After certain repairs or if the ESP, traction control light is on, a steering angle sensor reset might be necessary, often requiring specific driving maneuvers or a scan tool, but some basic resets might be possible without tools. Resetting the fuel pump, advanced use caution. In some rare cases of fuel delivery issues, there might be a specific procedure involving turning the ignition on and off without starting the engine to prime and potentially reset the fuel pump. Emphasize caution and the risk of flooding the engine. Resetting error codes, clearing the check engine light. Understand the risks. While disconnecting the battery can sometimes clear codes, it doesn't fix the underlying issue. Briefly explain that codes can also be cleared with an OBD2 scanner, but it's crucial to understand why the code appeared in the first place. The Italian tune-up, as a form of a system reset through aggressive driving. Use caution and obey traffic laws. Briefly explain the concept of driving the car at higher RPMs for a period to help clear out carbon deposits, which can sometimes improve performance. Heavily emphasize safety and legality. Important considerations and disclaimer. Throughout these tips, it's crucial to reiterate the following. Consult your owner's manual. This is your best resource for specific reset procedures for your vehicle. Safety first. Always ensure your car is in a safe location and the engine is off unless instructed otherwise. These are temporary fixes, potentially. While these resets might resolve some minor issues, they might not fix underlying mechanical or electrical problems. If a problem persists or returns, it's essential to consult a qualified mechanic. Be aware of voiding warranties. Attempting certain resets or repairs yourself could potentially void your car's warranty. Check your warranty terms. So there you have it, 20 potential car reset tricks that might just save you some money and get your car back on track. Remember to always prioritize safety and consult your owner's manual. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Car Master Tips for more automotive insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. What are some of the DIY car fixes you've tried? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.